How to install apps on Vizio Smart TV. Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to install apps on your Vizio Smart TV, whether you're using SmartCast or an older Vizio model. Let's get started. Step 1. Know your Vizio TV type. Vizio TVs come in two main types: SmartCast TVs, 2016 and newer; Via or Via Plus TVs, 2015 and older. The method depends on which one you have. Step 2. For SmartCast TVs, no manual app store. You can't manually install apps. Apps are automatically available through SmartCast. Press the V button or Home button on your remote. Browse through the available apps or use the search feature. Step 3. Cast or AirPlay apps to your TV. Use your Android phone, Chromecast, or iPhone, AirPlay. Open the app on your phone. Tap the Cast or AirPlay icon. Select your Vizio TV. It will start streaming instantly. Step 4. For Via or Via Plus TVs, manual installation. Press the V button on your remote. Go to the connected TV store. Browse or search for the app you want. Highlight it and press OK to install. Thanks for watching. If this helped, be sure to like the video and subscribe for more smart TV tutorials.